What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the track. We're at MSR Crescent again today. We got the car fully ready, fully prepped, everything's set to go. Now, we were just out here approximately 3 weeks ago, and obviously we were kind of dealing with some unfortunate weather. It rained quite a bit out there, and we only got like 2 sessions in the entire day. So a little bit unfortunate, but today we're back for just some more fun laps. Today we are on the AO52s, so just another 200. I actually haven't run these 200s out here at Crescent in, man, it's probably been like 10 months or so. So I think it was last June-ish, so it's been a while. I think the fastest time we ever did out here on the 200s was a 122. We're definitely going to go a lot faster than that. We did a 123 in the wet 3 weeks ago. So I know we're going to be faster and the car's going to do a lot better. But I'm excited to set some laps in the car. We got everything kind of sorted and dialed. We got obviously the spark plugs that we just changed, the coil packs, new brake pads, as well as we fixed all the splitter mounting, and the car should be ready and set to do everything that we need it to. So looking forward to the day. It's been like warm, sunny, kind of hot, mid to high 80s in Houston, and we drive up here to MSR Crescent. It's approximately like 3.5-4 hours away from Houston, about 250 miles, and sure enough, it's like 50 degrees, overcast, and pretty cold out. So should be a really great day for the car. Should be perfect weather. It's a little windy. We have quite a strong wind actually kind of blowing right now, but it really shouldn't hurt too badly because this is the main straight and hopefully we're going this direction. So front straight, we should be getting a little bit of a tailwind, which should help a little bit. But we didn't tow the car out here. We just drove it nice. It was like a 3.5-4 hour drive, like I said last night. Got in pretty late, stayed the night, and we are ready to go set some fun laps. So it's probably not going to be the fastest time out here I've ever done. I did 117s on the Hoosiers, on the R7s. I don't think I'm going to go quite that fast, but I would like to see maybe an 18 today. I think an 18 is definitely possible on these 200s. So other than that, the cars remain the same. Haven't really made any changes. We're still running the stock tune. So we're not on the GTS tune. We're on the stock tune that we ran for the Apex lap attack. Let's go. We're gonna go set some good times. Car should be really good. I'm excited to be back out here at the track. It's always fun to come back, and it's only been 3 weeks. It was a good challenge to get everything sorted, dialed, and back ready, prepped on the car before heading to the next track day. And I'm proud that we made it back in 3 weeks. So pretty cool for me. I feel a little bit accomplished just to know that had a pretty big off, got a lot of things damaged on the car, and then was able to make it back pretty quickly. So we have our next event back here with Apex again for Apex Fest, which is a really cool event. They run all 3 configurations. So they run the 1.7, the 1.3, which is on the other side of the hill, and then they run the 3.1, which is the 2 tracks combined. We're going to be here again in 3 weeks for that event, and that's when that will be another lap attack event where we're going to be competing, trying to get a podium with the M3. But enough talking. Let's go set some laps. Have a good day. Probably going to do some ride-alongs and overall just have some fun, practice with the car, and have a good day. It's just a one-day event, so we'll be headed back tonight. Let's go set some fast laps. So we finished about 5 sessions so far today. Unfortunately, like the first and second session, I was having a problem with the aim, and for some reason, it had GPS signal, but it wasn't recording the lap times. So it just wouldn't stop. So I don't know what was going on with that, but I got it to record later in the day. And obviously, as you guys see, we did some pretty good lap times. So third session of the day, I believe we went an 18.8-ish, and then session after that, we ended up going a 17.8. So I'm pretty happy with how everything's going. The car's doing really well. We did some more 18.0s to kind of back up that lap time, but we probably just got a little bit more time left on the table. But now that I've met my goal, I kind of wanted to come out here and do 17s. And now that we met the goal, I've just kind of been cruising around, enjoying the drive, enjoying a little bit more time on the track, and just relax a little bit. And who knows, you may even speed up by slowing down and relaxing a little bit. But the car's doing really well. Pretty happy with the way everything is set up. It's a little bit of a wild ride out there on 200s. I will say it's been pretty good. It's just taught me a lot about car control, and been good practice so far this weekend. I'm pretty glad that we were able to make it back out here for this event. We still have one more session left to go. Probably just gonna take it easy, enjoy it, maybe get some more 18.0s or so, and have a good time out there. So let's go out for the last session, and then we got a few hour drive home. And just like that, the end of another successful track day. Car did really well, no big issues, and pretty happy with the way everything went. So time to go home. We got about a 4.5 hour drive or so. Really not too bad, just a nice little one-day event out here with the M3. We went pretty fast. That last session we took a passenger, so we didn't end up going any faster. We're just nice and calm laps. I think we did a bunch of like 118s, mid mid to low 118s. So pretty good laps. Pretty happy with the way the car did overall. I think we could probably optimize the setup just a little bit. There's a few more changes that we could make, but pretty good, pretty happy with the way it is right now. And I think we're ready to come back for lap attack here in 3 weeks time, and hopefully we can be pretty competitive. We're gonna be back on the slicks, so let's head home, get the car ready for the event in a few weeks, and I will see you guys back in the garage and fixing up the car. A few little things to do, and we'll be all set for our next events. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.